Hello， 大家好。The easiest way to say I love you in Chinese is this sentence. 我爱你，我爱你。As you see, I means love. This is the most direct way to express your love. In traditional Chinese culture, however, people are usually too shy to say it directly. Instead, they prefer to use the word 喜欢 which literally means like. For example, 我喜欢你，我喜欢你 means I like you. This implies I love you. 我爱你 can be followed by the first name, nickname, or full name, but never followed by the family name only. So does the word 喜欢. For instance, 我爱你，红红。我爱你，红红。红红 is the first name or nickname. Next one. 我爱你，王红红。我爱你，王红红。王红红 is the full name. What if you say 我爱你，王？王 is the family name. This sentence sounds weird and doesn't work. If you say this, you won't be able to get her love. The reason is you can't use the family name only. Similarly, we can also use the word 喜欢 to replace I. For example, 我喜欢你，红红。我喜欢你，红红。And next one. 我喜欢你，王红红。我喜欢你，王红红。And next one. 我喜欢你，王。我喜欢你，王。This sentence doesn't work either, because only the family name was mentioned. 我爱你 can be followed by the name of a country, a city, a village, your school, and so on. In such cases, you don't need to use the word 喜欢, simply because most likely you won't be too shy to say it. For instance, 我爱你，泰国。我爱你，泰国。Next one. 我爱你，我的祖国。我爱你，我的祖国。祖国 means motherland. In summary, we can say 我爱你，我喜欢你, or followed by the first name, nickname, or full name. For example, 我爱你，红红。我喜欢你，红红。我爱你 can be followed by the name of a country, a city, a village, your school, and so on. Like 我爱你，泰国。好，谢谢观看。